CentrixOne's powerful automation module enables you to systematize repetitive, manual tasks to streamline processes and accelerate team productivity. When creating an automation, we have to determine which actions are to be carried out by the triggers and conditions. One of these actions can be to send an email. An automated email is not a mass mail and is only sent to one individual at a time. When choosing this action, we will have to establish which email is going to be sent. Be it to a third party, the contact sales rep, and so on. The choices of emails in the drop-down here are populated by emails that have already been created in the CRM. These can be found in the Emails module under the Automated Email tab. Here are all the automated emails previously created. To create a new automated email, let's ensure that we are within the Automated Email tab. And then click on the Add New Email button. The next step is to choose an email template. This can be one that was formerly created. Or we can start from scratch with an empty email. Or, choose a CentrixOne pre-existing template to be further customized. For this demo, let's imagine that I would like to trigger an automated response anytime a new request is received via the Contact Us form on my website. We'll choose this template and give the email a name. Our recommendation is to use a specific, detailed name, which will help us know, at first glance, the content of the email being triggered. The name entered at this stage is internal only and will not be seen by the recipient. Let's save. And we are now in the email content creator. First step, let's add the email subject line, which the recipient will see. There are countless possibilities to customize an email with different content blocks. Today we will focus on how to personalize the text within the email using merge tags and special links. To include the person's first name, use the first name merge tag. This tag will be populated by the information that is on the contacts file. To add a last name, use the name merge tag. If a first name or last name was not entered in the contacts file, the merge tag will create a blank space. Be sure to not modify the merge tag. If a space is entered within the tag, the system will no longer populate this field. If the merge tag is made bold, italics or underlined, the information being populated will also carry the same format. Here, the first name would appear in bold. Web forms created in CentrixOne can contain contact or account custom fields that we have created in the CRM. Any information entered in those fields can also be integrated in an email using a merge tag. There are two special links that can be used in an email: an unsubscribed link and an online version link. For either one, write the desired text and highlight the word or set of words to be linked. The unsubscribe link will open a separate unsubscribe page, while the online version link will open the email in a browser. Place and format the text as required in your email. To remove a link, highlight the words linked and click on the Remove Link icon. Other types of links that can be added are URLs, email, link to a file, click to dial, and text message. Let's start with a URL. This can be used to link to a web page. Highlight the word or set of words to link, and click on the Insert Edit Link icon. This will be a URL link to my web page. Here we can choose to underline the link and have the link open in a new window. And the system adds an HTTP prefix to the link. For an email link, choose email as the link type. Then, enter the email to whom we wish to send this question. We can also determine what the subject line will be, as well as the text to start the message. Now when this link is clicked, the person's system email will open, with the email address, subject line, and greeting already set up. Similarly, for a click to dial link, let's highlight the words we wish to link and add a telephone link type with a phone number. If the person has a call system set up on their computer or phone, it will automatically dial the number entered here. To add a download link to a file, let's select the set of words to link and add a file manager type link. This leads us to any document that we had previously uploaded into the Documents module. Let's choose the document we wish to link and click on Insert. When the link is clicked within the email, the person will be able to download that file. Instead of text, we can choose to use buttons. From the content sidebar, click and drag a button into the email. This can then be customized as required and linked to a merge tag, a link type, or a file. When your content has been created, be sure to save. You can view the email in mobile format, or click on the preview button to see what our email will look like. If you no longer see the codes for the merge tags, it means that they have correctly been used, and they will be accurately populated by the system. Be sure to also test your different links within the email. If your audience is multilingual, you can copy the email you have already formatted into another language by clicking on the Copy Language button. Our current email is in English, and I will choose to copy the content into the French template. Within the French email, we can see that the content, text formatting, images, as well as all the merge tags and special links have been copied. Now I only have to work on the translation. When the automated email is ready, we can move on to step 2. Here we will determine who the email is coming from and who we wish for the recipient to reply to. If the contact who will receive this email already has a sales rep assigned in the CRM, by checking this box, we can ensure that they received this email from and reply to their rep. And now my email is ready. The next step is to create the automation in the Automation module. Automations are list dependent. Interactions with a client versus a prospect will always be different. Ensure to select the correct list within which you want your actions to happen, and click on the Add New Automation button. When naming an automation, our recommendation is to use a specific, detailed name to help us know at first glance what actions the automation will trigger. Now this is a simple automation. The trigger is anytime a new contact is created in this list, with no other conditions and no waiting time, with the automation running Monday through Friday. An email will be sent. Here we will choose the automated email we just created, and in this scenario, send it to the contact. In the final step, we can review the automation summary and launch the automated task. Going forward, whenever a new contact is created in my list, the automated email will be sent to them. Explore more videos on the CentrixOne Academy, or talk to us for a demo or further training.